Nikora mwijo kama chelo, yuarwak mar telo, koro kwa kanisa mano mar Methodist, county mar Tana River, kod Lamu, kaluwore kod Bishop Manyien, ma ochwal mondo mi ochung'ne gi gino ma bende koro oseduoko chien chenro mag kanisa no. Jolemo mag kanisa ni mano mantie gwenge ma Sungwaya e county mar Tana River oriwore kendo mar bago bura mano ka jotendgi mantiere kuonde mamoko ka giwacho ni ichunogi kod jatelo mano ma ok ter kar kanyo e ataro mar chik mar kanisa Sungwaya nie mane giromo godo e kanisa e Prabich kod Aboro e county mar Tana River gi Lamu ka koro gidwaro Bishop Isaiah de mondo mi odonjore kendo mondo tiek.
We reject with our all being the confusion intentionally designed by the 58th conference to elect another bishop, whereas Reverend Ginaton Funana was duly elected and inducted into the office of the Synod Bishop Methodist Church in Kenya, Singwaya Synod. The act of imposing another bishop into Singwaya Synod shows outright malice and highest disrespect to the people of Singwaya, who love and honor their bishop. There is no room for confusion and intent division in our synod. It is unfortunate that the conference that is supposed to be the symbol of our connectional unity is now masterminding how divisions and chaos would thrive in the synod to give them work to do. We want to be busy with the gospel. Please note, we believe this is not asking for too much. Let the Methodist Conference revoke the election of Reverend Salati as Bishop to Singwaya Synod to avoid further undermining of evangelization in this great synod.
Sisi bado Singwaya tunampenda, manake yeye ni mwetu. Na tunampongeza kwa sababu ya hicho kiti ambacho amepata. Lakini kile tunataka arudi nyumbani, atengeneze nyumbani, maana yake kumeharibika. Hatutaki watoto wetu wapiganishwe. Maana yake kuchagua bishop mwingine bila sisi kujua ni kusema anatupiganisha kama Singwaya.
Sisi msimamo wetu ni kwamba kama kuna jambo lolote ambalo tunatakikana tulitatue ndani ya kanisa. Maanake ukitoka nje ya kanisa inakuwa ni vigumu. Na sisi ndio mnasikia msimamo wetu, hatutoki ndani ya kanisa.
Aya, Ramogi jua nkagina watoki nje ama ndani ya